Asuntosakeyhtiö Lahden Massin Poju.
This is also very nice today on the 12th of July 2024. Here we have Vesijärvenkatu 59 staircase B, and I can fill the staircase A later because Cargo 86 has found it before.
Yeah.
Best is 8 personal storage and diagrams. And this one has 6 floors. It was built in 2000 by Otis. It was 1000 fixtures, the same recipe 1 and E21-936. Give us these 8 persons, so same diagrams. And there's the Otis logo by door now. I wonder if it's also from the beginning of 2000.
No, because the staircase A is from 2001.
Then it's late 2000. Late 2000 finished 2001.
Yeah. Is built by Kiwais, but maintained by Kony.
The Gen 2 was available, of course, since spring 2000.
Yeah.
In the beginning, it was very expensive. Also.
Yeah.
April 2000 is the earliest Gen 2 in Finland.
That's
That's it, thanks.